This week I'm going to cut out a 3-piece or 3-layer scroll saw pattern. I've got the owl to start with because I kind of figure if I'm going to make a mistake, I may as well make a mistake on the more complicated bit rather than doing the easy bits and then messing up later on. So I'm going to cut it out on this ply using the scroll saw. I think the way I'm going to do it is obviously drill some holes in the first instance, but I think I'm going to trim around the edge as well, just because this is quite a big piece, just make it easier to handle. So I've just finished the first cut off camera. I'm just going around the biggest piece. Again, I did it off camera because I thought if I'm going to mess up, I might have given up on the project. So I thought no point going too far filming it. But it's come out quite well. As you can see, it's gone right through, kept to the lines pretty well, and it's certainly along the same lines as the actual pattern itself, to the point where if you line it up over the top, there's very little white paper visible through there, and everything lines up quite nicely. So I'm going to call it a day now. It's getting a bit late here, and I'm going to carry on with that again tomorrow. So that's it finished. Put it up on the wall in the house. I'm pretty pleased with how it's turned out. It's certainly, you know, the most complicated scroll saw pattern that I've done to date. You know, really the only other things I've done on the scroll saw, cut out the hand for the Blink 182 video, and cut some sort of 3D compound figures for Nativity, both of which, fortunately for you, I'll put links to down below, so you can check those out as well if you want. I do like how it's turned out, but I maybe wouldn't use plywood on the next one. And the original pattern did call for another cut around there, just to sort of frame it off, but I'm quite happy with it as it is. After I put the ink on and after I'd stopped filming, I did give it a wipe over as well, so that's taken down a lot of the whiteness on there, so it's not quite so in your face. It's sort of giving it a much nicer look, I think, in the end. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.